up. Now this is the iconic parabola where you will find all the antenna. Then down the parabola as they go, you will find multiple apexes, multiple lines. Wow, what a shot there. We've got a packed house here. A well recorded